Resident Dog back with you guys. I'm out in Matlacha today. Tide's going out about 7:30 Monday morning. Gonna see what we can get. Gonna beat some bushes, some live bait, some top waters, soft plastic jerk bait, paddle tail. Let's see what's out here. Alright, got out here on this flat. I'm gonna start with the Super Spook Junior. I'm already seeing stuff roll on the flat, so take a couple casts, see what we can get. Fish on. Fish on first thing in the morning. Yeah. What do we got here? Oh, a slob trout. Holy Lord, look at the size of that trout. Holy Lord, look at the size of that trout. Oh yeah. Look at the size of that trout. Damn, son. Oh. Chill out, dude. Chill out, dude, and you'll be gone. That is a stud trout. Good Lord, look at him. Whoo-wee. That is a pig. And there he goes. That damn hook got piled up in it. On. Oh, got another one on, got another one on. What we got here? This looks like a redfish. The way he's fighting, survey says redfish. Yeah, buddy. Red on the flat, big stud trout, and a nice red. Nice red. Oh yeah. Come here, dude. Woohoo! Buddy, I tell you what. Oh, look at that pretty red. There we go. Look at him. Yeah, man. Get him back in the water. Well, now we just got to find ourselves a snooky snook, and we got ourselves a slam. Been out here about 30 minutes. Boom, just that quick. Little sucker just crept up on it when I wasn't looking. What do we got here? A puffer fish. What in the hell? Whoever thought you'd catch a puffer fish on a damn topwater? There ain't nothing the Super Spook won't catch. Here we go. That's a solid fish. That's a solid fish. That's solid. He's pulling the boat. It's so solid. Yeah. Yeah, that's probably a red. That's probably a nice red. Oh, little drag. There we go. Come on, big guy. What we got here? Oh, yeah, it's a nice red. Yep. Red, 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 red. Come here, buddy. There we go. Come on. Stay out of them lines. There we go. Oh, beautiful. Pumpkin red. Come here, buddy. Oh, yeah. Pumpkin red. Woo, he's pretty. There we go. Oh, look at that pumpkin. Beautiful redfish. Just pretty. Woo. Look at that, buddy. Yeah. Here you go, big guy. Woo. Well, fine. How do you do? Have a nice day. What we got here? It's a nice fish. Feels like a red. Yep. Nice redfish. Come on. Come here, reddy, red, red. Got the red on a slam sheety. Yeah, buddy. Redfish on a slam sheety. Well, he's a little dink, but dude. Quicker you chill out, quicker I get you out of here, man. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, just beating the bushes with the slam shitty. All I'm doing is just drifting along and hitting all little coves and overhangs. What we got here? Oh, fish on, fish on. Fish on, fish on, fish on. It is a rat snook. Hey, Mr. Rat Snook. Well, there's the slam. It ain't the biggest slam ever caught in the world, but it's a slam.
That gets raised, get the hat off your head or I'ma slap your face.